Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and basically, depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the square icon. If you've got the gestures, just like me, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it. Just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you will be transferred to all recents. And basically, in order, you can turn off, for example, 1 or 2 of opened apps, just find them and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your CUBOT Tablet Top 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.